Let us see how we can have different shapes which can be assembled and a polynomial can be framed. I take this white sheet and you can take different color sheets. I am taking this white sheet so that I can explain you better. So suppose I have taken a green color sheet. I take a green color sheet. So what different types of shapes I can create using this green color? So I take a fixed distance. Suppose I take 4 centimeter, right? I take one fixed distance and I take it as x, and I can have different shapes using that. Like I made a square of x by x. X I have taken 4. You can take any of your choice. The length can be of your choice depending on your design, right? So I have taken x. So this is your x. This is your x. So this tile, I'll call this as algebraic tile. This tile is x square. Similarly, if I take x that is 4 here, and again 1 centimeter as breadth, then this algebraic tile would be x into 1, and that is x. So I call this algebraic tile as, see, x into 1, and this will be your x. This is your x square. Similarly, I can have, suppose I want a small tile, so 1 by 1. So this will be your constant 1. This can be 1. So this is 1, right? Now you can also create a triangle. Suppose I need a triangle in my design. So what I can do? I can have a triangle also. See, you know the area of a triangle is half base into height. Base also I have taken 4, and height also I have taken 4 altitude, and if you join this you will get a triangle, and this tile would represent, you can say, half, and this distance was x, this is also x, so half x square, right? Similarly, if I need a right angle triangle, so 4 and 4 means x by x, and you join this. So this you get it as, again, this will be half x square. Similarly, you can use a circular shape. You can draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. If you want a circle in your design, then that tile will be pi r square. Similarly, you can have a semicircle also. If you need in your design, you can draw a semicircle also. That would be 1 by 2, 22 by 7 into x square. While using this, different tiles can be drawn using this green sheet paper. Children, you can do it in 2 ways. Either you can use a white sheet paper and color this. You can color it. I am giving you green color. You can color it with any color what you have, and you can color it and cut it out. That can be done, or you can have the colored sheet itself. I am not having one, so I am using this. Now children, suppose with the same dimension, if I am using red color, same dimension, I am using red color, then red for the same dimensions, if I draw a x by x square, that is x square in green, it is positive. And if I draw x by x in red color, I would take it as negative. I would suggest all of you to take red as negative. This is your minus x square when we are taking the color as red. So all the tiles, anything x, 1, half x square, anything if you draw in red, means if you are using red sheet, then you will be taking as minus x square, minus x, minus half x square. Any shape if you are taking, you have to take it negative. Okay, so similarly, suppose this is only one color will not give much effect to our design. Okay, only two colors we have taken. So we can have one more dimension. We can take y. See here, I have taken yellow color. Suppose I take yellow color, and I have taken a different length, of course, this time. So this is almost 7. So 7 by 7. So this is my y by y, and this tile is y square, and this time I have taken yellow color. Similarly, you can have y, you can have 1. Similarly, you can draw the triangle in that. It's the same thing what you have in the previous with the green color. You can draw using another color of your choice, and same thing can be done here. You can get the tiles of different shapes using the yellow color also. Similarly, you can draw a circle. Similarly, you can draw a semicircle. For circle, you will write 22 by 7 y square. So same thing I would repeat. If for y dimension, if you are using again instead of yellow, if you are using a red color, means if you draw y by y in red color, if you draw this 7 by 7 or y by y in red color, then we will take it as minus y square. Any of the tiles, if taken, see this is y, but this is drawn in red color, so this tile will be taken as minus y square, right? So suppose so what all colors I have now? I have red, I have yellow, I have green, and I need one more with the dimensions of x and y both, so I can do that also. Now suppose I need a rectangle in my figure, right? In that case, I can do it using x and y both. Suppose I choose another sheet color, that is gray color. Suppose I choose. See children, this is all an example. You can choose the colors of your own. So in that case, if I take gray color sheet, and if I am drawing this as 4 by 7, means x by y. So this can be a tile of a polynomial expression. What it will be? X into y. Similarly, you can draw a triangle also in that case. Suppose I have taken the base as 7. I take base as 7 and altitude as x. Then this triangle would represent half xy. This would be representing half xy. Children, again, if in this any of the tiles, if the color is changed, and if I choose red color, then this would be minus xy, and this would be minus half xy, right? So it's all up to you how you design. First think of the design and draw the tiles, and you can just assemble it and create a polynomial. So let us first create a polynomial, a simple polynomial, a simple design, and see how we are creating a polynomial. After cutting, let us paste it and create a design and hence a polynomial. Children, this was x into x, so this is your x square. So I'll just put it, then we'll paste it. This is your x square, right? This I had cut. This is your x, this is your y. So this is a rectangle xy, right? Then we have x into 1. X into 1. So this is your x. Again we have x. Then we have x as the legs. And again we have x. We can put two circles as eyes. Small circles if you take, you can take it is as unity 1 unit. So this is your 1, 2 eyes I have made. Then means any imagination you can have, and you can put it in creating the designs. So if I paste it together, then we will get a final one. Okay, now let us first try how we have done it, how the polynomial will be. So first polynomial, first expression what I have taken is x square. Second, we have this is your x into y, right? So this is x square plus xy. Then we have x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. Then children, I told red to be taken as negative. So 2 reds will be minus 2, isn't it? It will be minus 2, and yellow 1, 2, 3, all yellow will be taken as plus 3, right? I told you, 1 by 1, this is 1 unit. So this is your plus 3 and minus 2 will give you plus 1. So this is the polynomial what we have created a design, and hence a polynomial. It is having a degree 2, and how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So this is an example of simple design what you can create.